Good day everyone, my name is Leanne B. De Luna and I'm 24 years old. I have the bachelor's degree of hospitality management at the Bulacan State University. So I have spent my 1 year and 8 months at SMMT Machineries OPC as an administrative assistant. My experience includes giving administrative and clerical support with the executives, managing and generating reports, submitting it on time, scheduling appointments, consolidating of information from the branches, monitoring of the renewals of the car issuance, uniforms, replenishment of the office supplies, and other tasks assigned by the superiors, especially the CEO. Ever since I was young, I have enjoyed solving a puzzle. In fact, if I'm unable to solve a puzzle, I can sit still or sleep at night until finally crack it. Same is the case at work. If I'm presented with a problem, I'm working on it as possible as needed to find solution for it. Working as a virtual assistant offers many tasks and opportunities to develop your skills. As a virtual assistant, I'm responsible to manage emails, scheduling of appointments, and organizing files. I may also be involved with social media management, content creations, and customer support. You can enhance your communication, problem solving, and time management by taking on additional responsibilities. Overall, being a virtual assistant offers a dynamic and rewarding work experience with ample opportunities of skill developments. Additionally, working remotely uh, eliminates the need for long commutes and the associated stress and expenses. It can save me money, time, and energy in avoiding rush hour traffic and public transportation. Overall, the opportunity to work remotely as a virtual assistant gives you the freedom and the autonomy to design your ideal work-life balance. Thank you and have a nice day.